Please like and subscribe our channel. Zero. Hagia Sophia, former Istanbul Museum, welcomes Muslim worshippers. Crowds gathered in Istanbul as the historic Hagia Sophia site opened for Friday prayers for the first time since Turkish authorities ruled it could be converted into a mosque. Clerics in white robes recited from the Quran. Mosaics and frescoes of Jesus and Mary were draped with curtains. The 1500-year-old UNESCO World Heritage Site became a museum in 1934. This month, a Turkish court annulled its status, saying any use other than as a mosque was not possible legally. The decision to turn it back into a mosque was criticized by religious and political leaders worldwide. But President Recep Tayyip Erdogan responded quickly to the ruling, proving that the world-famous site would be ready for Friday prayers from 24 July, and he was seen joining worshippers at around midday 9 GMT. About 1,000 people were allowed in through security checkpoints while others laid out prayers mats outside. An opening ceremony was followed by a formal prayer service and proceedings were relayed outside on a big screen. Four muezzin recited the call to prayer from each of the four minarets. Turkey's president joined several senior ministers for the start of the ceremony on Friday. Hagia Sophia was built as an Orthodox Christian cathedral and first converted into a mosque after the Ottoman conquest 9 centuries later. While there was considerable excitement as crowds headed to the UNESCO site, not everyone was happy. The secular opposition party that runs Istanbul has described the move to turn it back into a mosque after 86 years as political rather than religious. In neighboring Greece, which was marking the anniversary of the restoration of democracy in 1974, Prime Minister Kyriakos Mitsotakis conveyed a message of sorrow to millions of Greek Orthodox Christians. Hagia Sophia's change of status by Turkey was not a show of power but evidence of weakness, he declared. Outside Hagia Sophia, tens of thousands of men and women waited for the call to prayer. Many had traveled from cities across Turkey. Worshippers took their places on the grass or on the pavement. The lucky ones found shade under the tree. Security was tight across the historic peninsula of Istanbul, and at one point, dozens of worshippers broke through a police checkpoint. A group of men waved Turkish flags and chanted, Allahu Akbar, God is the greatest. A group of men waved Turkish flags and chanted, Allahu Akbar, God is the greatest. There was only space inside Hagia Sophia for 1,000 people at a time due to social distancing. While a significant section of Turkish society has criticized the change to a mosque, the emotion and enthusiasm outside it was palpable. A 45-year-old woman said she had always liked Hagia Sophia as a museum but always thought it was old building. Now the moment for Turkey to reinforce its independence, she added, we have been waiting for this moment since our childhood. What was it like inside? Governor Yerlikaya had urged those attending prayers on Friday to bring face masks, a prayer rug, patience and understanding to help to prevent prevent the spread of COVID-19 as crowd grew. He appealed for patience. During a sermon, Turkish Religious Affairs Agency President Ali Abbas held up a sword in an apparent reference to Ottoman traditions. Sultan Mehmed the Conqueror dedicated this magnificent construction to believers to remain a mosque until the day of resurrection, he said, referring to the emperor who conquered Istanbul in the 15th century. A turquoise carpet had been laid on the floor to prepare for prayers, and Christian relics were covered up with white drapes or obscured by lighting. Scaffolding was erected inside the dome as builders scrambled to convert the interior of the ancient building. By Friday, the scaffolding was largely covered by red paneling. Among the Christians, mosaics covered over on Friday was the 9th century mosaic of the Virgin Mary and Jesus inside the apse. Why was Erdogan's move controversial? Islamist groups and devout Muslims in Turkey had long called for Hagia Sophia to become a mosque again, but secular opposition members opposed the move. Mr. Erdogan stressed that the country had exercised its sovereign right. After 86 years, Hagia Sophia will serve as a mosque again. He added that the building would remain open to all Muslims and non-Muslims and foreign visitors. What's the history of the Hagia Sophia? The iconic domed building sit, sits in Istanbul's Fatih district on the west bank of the Bosphorus overlooking the Golden Horn harbor. Hagia Sophia complex history began almost 1500 years ago, which Byzantine Emperor Justinian built the huge church in the year 537. In 1453, in a devastating blow to the Byzantines, Ottoman Sultan Mehmed II captured Istanbul, formerly known as Constantinople, and Hagia Sophia, an Orthodox Christian cathedral, was converted into a mosque for a Friday prayers. Four minarets were added to the exterior. Christian icons and gold mosaic were covered with panels of Arabic religious calligraphy. After centuries at the heart of the Muslim Ottoman Empire, it was turned into a museum in 1934 in a drive to make Turkey more secular. It has since become one of its most popular tourist sites, receiving more than 3.7 million visitors last year. Although it has had a small prayer room since 1991 and calls to the faithful have been heard before, Friday's event is the first mass prayers inside the site since the 1930.
मेरे दिल से आवाज उठी है कि पूरी कायनात की ताकत मिलकर भी हम दोनों को अलग नहीं कर सकती। हमें मिलना है, तुम देखना, एक न एक दिन हम दोनों जरूर मिलेंगे।